tell you a million times. All right, let's go look over here real quick. Yeah. I bought that food just so we can go over here real quick while they're making it. And then y'all can see what I was talking about. I think I was in those people's. No, I wasn't anyway. All right. Look at this. Yo, do y'all see that? Face mask. The people who are so conscious about all that crap, they be just throwing it anywhere. That's how much they care about the environment. Look at that face mask in the down. They probably got a face mask flotation device for you to use at the beach. Jet lag. But yeah, they used to have party boats right here, and then you'll do and then you just jump up on them junks, go all the way out there. But they probably don't even do that no more. I'm trying to be quick, sorry y'all, because I ain't even supposed to be over here, I don't think. Look at this. There's a pelican, this Negro. He over here like, I see cars every day. It don't even faze me. Matter of fact, I sit above them clowns. No skateboarding, walk, bikes. You see what I'm saying, yo? Alright, I ain't gonna go all the way down there. One day we're gonna actually hit the beach, I bet you we'll probably find a face mask over here somewhere. Surprisingly, we did not. Alright. Everywhere you go, they live. 1984. You look at the advertisement stuff about consume. You look at everywhere you turn. If we were in the movie They Live, stuff like here would be like that right there would be what, caution, I don't know, do as you're told. Or no, that wasn't a good example, but y'all know what I'm saying. Obey, yeah, like that, this thing right here. Says, this is 1984, that jump where you put your glasses on, jump and say obey. This right here, up here would say consume. This right here would be signs that say retirement. Have kids reproduce. Y'all don't like y'all ain't see They Live. If y'all my subscribers. Alright, I'm about to get this food. We might go to the mall. And then we'll be done for the day. But yeah, Carolina Beach, pass the test all around, it looks like. I'll pick up my food real quick. If it's done. Look around while we in here. See what they got. That was a good souvenir that we got from the Wendy's place. What time is it? I think I am gonna go to the mall next so y'all can see them at the gym doing the MMA stuff. What's today? Today is Sunday. Oh, never mind. I ain't even at the gym today. We'll go to the mall. and look at some MMA classes and some or what you call it, judo classes and stuff like that. Judo, MMA basically. All right, y'all. I think this is a regular drink.
Overloaded the fries. Every time you toss me off and
Hey, Brian, you ready?
yeah, you can have some.
Alright, I'm still waiting for my food, but it's cool because I wanted to show y'all some more stuff anyway. So I would love to work out here. It was mad cool in there. I don't know what this is. Vape tap and beer. I don't know if you're allowed here up here or not, but you probably are. I think they're doing the restaurant thing right now. But yeah, this is the last stop. If they ever do open the party boats again, I'll take you guys on the party boats and we'll see what that's like. If it's even a thing anymore. I don't even know if they have it. When I was little, they did. Alright, I'm gonna get my food beat and we're gonna find out what we're gonna do next.